Hello everyone, welcome back for another shave. Today I'm gonna be using Lavender by Barrister and Mann. My friend Brett from Making a Great Shave landed me his set. I missed on purchasing this one, and I really beat myself down by the fact that I missed to order this, because this might be the best Barrister and Mann soap for me, of course, that I smelled out of the container. That's why I asked Brett, hey, can I grab your set and do a shave with it? And boy, oh boy, that's lavender. And some people maybe worry that, oh, I don't like lavender scent, but this type of lavender is not just simple lavender and you get one-dimensional type of a aroma. There is quite a bit to it. So out of the puck, my nose gets a little bit of sweetness, maybe citrusy vibes. Of course, the lavender is there, but not on a very kind of like forward and direct way. Like if you smell lavender essential oil, you know what I mean. But it's just a very refined masculine with a little bit of sweetness, and there is a layer of spiciness to this scent. And here on the side are the scent notes. I'm going to read them for you. We have lavender, bergamot, geranium, and lavender absolute. I didn't check if these are all the scent notes, but based on the description here, that's kind of like what we get. And it's really surprisingly good. Really, really pleasant. I can't wait for this shave. One more time, thanks to Brett. Make sure to check his Instagram, and he also has a YouTube channel. If you're not on Instagram, I'm gonna leave links in the description of this video, so check him out, give him a follow there. He's making a great content reviewing aftershaves, and he's very well versed and explains the scents on a way better way than me. I'm trying to kind of like give my perspective, but I'm horrible with explaining scents. So today we're gonna do something different. I'm gonna try to be quick because it's a busy day for me. I'm gonna bow lather. I'm not gonna bow lather. I'm gonna face lather. See, my brain is telling me you need to bow lather, but look at that pour in the container. Looks so good. I will feel really bad if I scoop it and I ruin it for Brett, because this soap will go back to him. And he feels okay for me to tub load, so I'm gonna use my purple Wald A1 in Nimbus shape. You can see on the label. Excellent combination. Look at this. The brush is wet and I shake and squeezed most of the water because I don't want to introduce too much water in the soap container. I can't recall when was the last time when I face lathered with my Wald, but that might be the first one for a video. That should be good enough. The Wald is very soft, so it requires slightly more loading time. And now I'm gonna wash the soap well for Brett, so everything stays clean as I got it. And whatever is over here, we can use it as a pre-shave on the skin. A tiny bit of lather that starts to form. And here is it, nice and clean. This will dry on the side. I'll leave it so it's properly dry before being closed. And let's see if I remember how to face lather, but first let me wet my face. Trying to go for a quick shave, as I mentioned. We'll see how quick it will be with the face lathering. That fresh lavender scent gets a little bit more forward as I lather and work the soap. There is actually quite a bit of water in the knot. This A1 knot by Wald might be perfect for tub loading because it's not introducing a lot of water to the container, but holds a lot of water, not like most of the synthetics. When you shake them, the water is pretty much out. And Barrister and Mann, they can get some water as well. Their base is great. For the razor, I'm gonna use the classic R89 by Muhle. Very, very comfortable razor. It's been a little while since I used it. And yeah, the lather, perfect consistency, nice, creamy, low structure. Excellent. I can add more water, but I don't want to waste more time face lathering. Let's move into the shave. Let's do it first pass. The bathroom smells very nice. Pretty much the same scent as the soap from the container. Excellent slickness. And very pleasant. Going over 2 days of growth. That was excellent first pass. Let's prepare for the second and final pass. Once again, 2-pass shave. I'm in a hurry. Barely able to squeeze time recording, and we'll see when I'll be able to edit this one. Barrister and Mann for me are not really a blind buy artisan. That's why I didn't jump buying this one right away. And after I smelled it from Brett, I was like, dang, I really regret not buying it. And now it's not available. Hopefully they will release it again. So second pass against the grain. Very mild razor. I know some people are complaining by R89 being too mild, but in my opinion, is mild and efficient. Perfect balance for comfortable shave. I personally don't have any issue getting BBS with it. Excellent. Really good shave. The skin feels great. No alum today, but of course, thanks to Brett, we have a matching splash over here, and I'm gonna have the pleasure of finishing the shave with a good splash. A lot of good ingredients, of course, alcohol-based, yes. I can see it here. And from my experience, Barrister and Mann splashes, they're strong. They last for the entire day from what I used so far. So I expect the same from this one here. Oh, so good. I get more of that citrusy freshness. And yeah, the same smell, but just more freshness and citrusy layers. And boy, that's excellent. Light tingling, nothing too much. And just smells so good. We're not wasting this goodness. Yeah, so good. If you have a chance, once this gets back in stock, please don't miss on it, or grab a sample if you can find from someone or from a friend. I don't know, maybe there's some samples available for sale. I actually didn't check, but usually there are soap samples but not aftershave samples, so that's the tricky part if you want to have a full matchy shave. Yeah, once again, thanks to Brett. Make sure check him out. He's doing amazing reviews. I think that he's posting them daily on both YouTube and Instagram, so don't miss on these. And yeah, Brett, my friend, this is an absolute banger. I love it. Thank you for the opportunity to borrow it and to share this shave with everyone. That's it from me today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.